Hello and welcome to my channel Simplify with Louise. Today I'm working on a DIY project where I'm going to make over a brass lamp that I purchased on Marketplace. The lamp has columns on it that are not actually brass, so I'm going to try painting those, see how it turns out, and I'm going to use the lamp in a room makeover of my study in a few weeks' time. So let's get started. So here we are outside. Here is the brass lamp, and as you can see it has brass detail on the bottom. I've given it all a wipe over, but actually quite like that aged old look, so I haven't cleaned it with any brass cleaner for now anyway. Some more decoration. You can see these columns are quite yellow, they're not brass, and the top there, I may try painting that as well. So thinking painting it matte black with a spray paint. So I have some masking tape, some plastic bags, scissors, and the black matte spray paint, which doesn't need any primer, which is awesome. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here I have taped off the bottom section of the lamp, put it all into the bag, and then just fixed it with masking tape around the top to cover the brass section. And let's move on to the next piece. Okay, so now we have it all taped off with the plastic and the masking tape, so that we can paint. So here we have one coat of black matte paint, and it will need another coat, maybe two. Oh, it's a bit hard to see. But yeah, that's the black coat done. And we'll come back and do another coat very soon when that's dry. Here we are, applied our second coat of black matte finish paint. And it's the next day now, as the temperature rose too high for me to be able to paint it yesterday afternoon. It was about 40 degrees. So I'll let that dry now, and then we'll take the plastic off and see how it all looks. And here is the finished lamp. I'm pretty happy with the results. The black paint turned out nicely and really highlights the brass features. I've put a large bulb on this lamp. I'm not going to put a shade on it, as I'm going to use it for extra lighting in my study at my desk. The lamp came with a shade, and I left it with the lady that I purchased the lamp off, as she really loved the shade and I wasn't going to use it. I paid $30 on Marketplace for this lamp, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's turn it on and have a little look. So there we are. Looks good. All ready for the study makeover in a few weeks. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video, and I'll see you next week for another DIY home makeover.